it's Jaycee from Dr. Bear's office. We're excited to have all our VIP 2020 this year. We're excited to go over your gift. I know a lot of you had questions, so I just wanted to go over what you got this year and what to expect. For starters, if you open up your box, you get a little envelope. In this envelope has a few different things. You have your welcome to VIP, what to expect, and then also your gift that you'll bring with you for your birthday for a free hydrofacial. Also, for starters, you get one of our butterflies. One of our butterflies that is actually from our butterfly wall. These butterflies do have a disclaimer on the back. They were not killed for this box. Also, we get a little selfie light. You guys aren't aware on how to use this. It goes on your phone. When you are taking selfies, either way, you can apply it, turn on the light, and then you have extra perfect lighting for your photos. You get a little bag from Color Science. You also get Color Science Lip Gloss Duo with your Color Science Brush On Sunscreen. This sunscreen is something that you should wear every day and reapply every 2 hours. The sunscreen is mineral. It also has zinc and titanium. You can put it in your car, anywhere you want. It's never going to go bad. It's easy to brush on, easy for men and women to use, and it's waterproof for 90 minutes. Another set of duos we have is the Morning Glow from Color Science. This is a bronzer slash blush that you can apply. It is all mineral. Dr. Bear uses this every day and she loves it. Included in that is the Total Eye patches. So when you are using these, you can use a serum or something underneath like an eye cream that you have from us, and then you would apply the eye cream first and then apply the eye patches after. It'll give you a nice little glowy under eye look. Another thing that we have is 2 of Dr. Bear's and myself's favorite products. We have the Elastin Restorative and the Bioserum Firm. These are my 2 go-tos every day. I use the Elastin Restorative in the morning. It is a daytime protectant serum, builds collagen. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, no additives. It's gonna build collagen and tighten your skin. I kind of call it like Spanx for your face. And then at night, I use my Bioserum Firm. This is a product that has multiple modalities such as the restorative, but the Bioserum Firm also has a growth factor, which is gonna build even more collagen for you. Growth factors build what I like to call building block collagen, so the things that support the structure of our skin. Last but not least, we have the Skin Medica little travel bag. So this little white bag that's in there. This has a few different products from Skin Medica, great for travel, all travel sizes. If you actually get into the bag, has a few different things. We have, in here really quick. We have their AHA/BHA cleanser, which is a glycolic salicylic cleanser. It does have some jojoba beads in it, which are going to break down when you wash your face, but the beads do help to exfoliate manually as the glycolic and the salicylic break down chemically on the skin. These are just things that help make your skin more dewy and more glowy as well. If your skin is more sensitive, I would start with using it about twice a week. There is the Total Defense and Repair sunscreen in there, which you can wear daily. Dermal Repair Cream, which is a moisturizer that you can use twice a day. If you are more oily, I would suggest maybe using this as a nighttime and something more oil-free in the morning. There is Retinol 0.5. Most of you wear retinol at nighttime, but if you're not familiar with wearing retinol, you start off about 2 to 3 times a week at nighttime only. Pea-size amount and avoid the eye area. HA5. HA5 is another one of Dr. Bear's favorites. HA5 is nice because you can use it anywhere, anytime, all over the face as an extra hydrator, but you can also put it on the lips and the under eyes as well. This is something that helps plump your skin. One of the main ingredients in it is actually the same hyaluronic that's in Juvederm, which is a great natural plumper as well. This is very popular. It's going to feel very silky on the skin. We also have the Lumivive system. So there's like a little mini version in here. So the Lumivive is a day and nighttime protectant. It also helps to rejuvenate the skin. It protects you against blue light. It's an antioxidant based product that Skin Medica has. The daytime is help protecting you against environmental damage, so the sun, pollution, anything that we come into contact with during the day, and then the nighttime is repairing all the damage that we have as well. So that concludes our VIP box. We hope you're super excited about VIP 2020, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the office.